Function in Python is a reusable block of code designed to perform a specific task. So instead of writing the same code multiple times, we can define a function and call it whenever needed. For example, instead of writing multiple lines of print code, let us define a function for it. So to define a function, type def followed by name of the function, which in our case is greet, and then parenthesis with a colon. Now the body of the function will have a tab or space at the beginning, which is called indentation, and that is mandatory. Now, to call this function, simply write the name and then parenthesis. Let's save and run this code. You can see hello Akriti is printed. Now, if you want to work with different values dynamically, you will have to declare parameters inside the parenthesis of a function definition. For example, here Akriti is called dynamically while calling the function. There is also an option for default parameters that allow functions to have predefined values for arguments, making them optional when calling the function. As you can see here, no argument is passed while calling greet function and Akriti is picked up since it is a default value. If we remove the default value from function definition and call the function without any argument, then we will get error. Now let's create a function that returns sum of two values. So these two values are passed as parameters separated by comma. You can call this function directly using a predefined print function. So here 2 and 4 are passed as arguments and add function returns 6 as a result, which is printed using print function. You can also use a variable to store result of add function and then print it. So this time, as you can see, 2.5 and 2.4 are both of float type and the result 4.9 is printed. You can even use the same add function for string values. So in this case, strings are passed within single quotes. So this way you can perform a variety of actions but with minimal code. Thank you for watching.